If you're an Amazon seller and need to remove inventory from Amazon's fulfillment centers to ship to an influencer, making product unboxing and demo videos, or ship to yourself, you've come to the right place. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Seller Central dashboard. Now, navigate to the Inventory tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Inventory. This will take you to a list of all your listed products. Next, choose the items you want to remove from Amazon's fulfillment centers, checking the boxes next to each ASIN or SKU. After selecting the items, go to the Action on Selected drop-down and click on Create a Removal Order. Now you'll need to select the removal method Return to Address. For Return to Address, you must provide a valid return address, where you will ship the product to the influencer. Next, you'll have the option to enter a Removal Order ID. This field is optional, so you can leave it blank. However, if you decide to enter an ID, ensure that it's 10 characters or less, otherwise you'll encounter an error. Here you need to enter the quantities for fulfillable inventory. In this case, it shows 12 units in fulfillable inventory and 0 units in unfulfillable inventory. You can enter any number of items that you want to send to the influencer, 1, 2, or 5, within the available inventory. Once you've entered the desired quantity, click on Review to double-check the details, and then click Submit Removal Order. This will send the item to the influencer's address so they can create a video for you. If you need the biggest discount on Amazon's #1 productivity, automated 5-star review generator, competitor spy tool, and product management listing app, check the discount link for Helium 10 in the video description now. Thanks for watching. Like the video if this was helpful, share with your coworkers that need to ship products to influencers the right way.